Content bundles allow you to sell multiple item types together as a single purchase. Let's create a bundle. In your dashboard, go to your store. In your store, click the Create a Bundle button at the top. Give your bundle a thumbnail. Next, create a title and a description. Select a category. Decide how long you want your bundle to be available. You can set a specific duration or leave it open-ended until you decide to unpublish it. Now choose what goes into your bundle. Pick from your photo sets, videos, or vault. In the Access tab, you'll specify who can purchase this bundle. As with other content types, you can apply the same settings for all memberships or customize access for each one. Once you're happy with your bundle, you can publish it immediately, save it as a draft, or schedule it for a later date. Showcase your bundle in the store previews on your homepage for better visibility. Lastly, use the auto post and mass messaging features to let your members know about your new bundle.